Hey, Sean from the Snapshot Marketplace here. Just walking through the dog poop scooping snapshot. Full transparency. Chores are getting done and the kids are playing a board game. So there's going to be a little bit of noise in the background. So this is a straightforward 3-step incentive-based funnel where you're going to offer a good deal right here on the front page. Collect name, email, phone number. So get your first month free of our barefoot certified dog poop pickup service. You're given a little bit of scarcity here. And usually you're driving traffic to this page with a Facebook ad or a post. I used to own a dog poop pickup service, and it's really easy to generate leads in this industry. So this is just what works from personal experience. After they fill that out, they will have a chance to book their first schedule to get their yard, or schedule their first cleanup. Wow, book their first schedule. Schedule their first cleanup on this page. What you're going to do on these pages, you can change the background image. It's just a nice stock image of a beautiful yard. You can leave this one. But what I do want you to do is go to Google Maps and take a screenshot of their actual local market and then replace this image on the funnel page and replace it here on the call booking page as well. After they book the call, there will be this appointment confirm page. You're going to replace this image with the actual poop scooping technician or the owner of the business. If they have any trucks or marketing materials or yard signs or anything, you're going to want those in the background of the image as well. And make sure that someone is smiling and looking at the camera. All right. Then here we have the automations. I have a beefed up appointment confirmation reminder campaign. Really good for making sure people that actually keep their appointments call back, auto missed call, text back. So if someone calls the tracking number that you have set up here and you're scooping a yard, you can go ahead and if you miss the call, this will automatically text them back. This is money in the bank for home service businesses. This is the new lead notification sequence where it goes ahead and it notifies the business owner, it gets them booked on the calendar, and it also confirms the information with the lead that just filled everything out. Have birthday templates, so an automated message that goes out, gives birthday discounts, database reactivation for past customers and leads to offer them a discount or incentive to go ahead and sign up for new service. Follow up for not closing the sale. Appointment cancellation reminders, no-show reactivations, review requests, and Google My Business. And then also, this whole thing is built to launch within 20 minutes or so. All you have to do is just complete these custom values, and it will automatically populate all of the information on the website. So the name of the service, the discount that you're offering, the local market name, so Myrtle Beach, the logo. This is your agency information. So this is the information on the automations that will be used to deliver the leads to your client, the business owner. So when a new lead comes in, it'll come from this information here. The automations, well, once you connect the domain, you're going to want to plug in the domains for the calendar link page and the discount funnel link page. So this one and this one. And these are connected to the automations. And then whatever tracking phone number you're using here. If you're using Lead Connector, Twilio, CallRail, Grasshopper, Google Voice, you're going to want to plug that tracking phone number in here. Yeah, and that's it in a nutshell. This is straightforward. It gets you business. Go make yourself a lot of money.